In this video we are gonna unbox and review the Urban Bank 1000. So let's move in. As you can see, this is the box of the Urban Bank 1000, and first we're gonna see what's written on the box, then we are gonna move inside the box. As you can see, it has deep bass, loud sound, portable, and supports Bluetooth also, as you can see over here. And at the back you get the main specifications about the device. You can see it's all specifications displayed over here, which I'm going to explain in the later part of the video. You get latest Bluetooth 4.2, deep bass, HD sound, FM radio support, micro SD card support, also USB port, auxiliary port, rechargeable battery notification is given over here, and 1 year of warranty with this device. And friends, now let's move inside the box and check the speaker and all the accessories. So first thing you can see over here is the speaker, very well packed, and inside the box you can see we get this accessory packet. Inside the package you can see the first thing is the manual, I think so. Yeah, this is the instructions for the speaker. They're very big. This is the card, I think this is the 12 months warranty card over here. And accessory wise you get these stuff, the common stuff you get with other speakers, your charging cable and your aux cord over here. And this is the speaker. So friends, till the time I clean up all this mess, you can take a look at this.
So hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end.
Friends, this is the Urban Bank 1000, and first we're going to talk about the build quality and design of the speaker. Build quality wise, this speaker feels very incredibly built speaker. Like if you touch and feel this speaker feels like no other speaker I have unboxed on my channel till now. And for reference, I will give you that I've done about 40 plus speaker unboxing on this channel itself. I've never felt this good while touching a speaker, because the quality of the speaker is so good. And this is plastic. Everything over here you see is made out of plastic, but they have done a rubber coating onto it, which makes the speaker feel so damn good. This is soft touch plastic you see over here. It's damn good, and the color contrast, I've never seen this color on any speaker I've unboxed till now. You see, this is satin finish, this is matte black, and this is brown. This is the handle, rubber handle over here, fake leather, like it has that fake leather design, but it's okay in my opinion. This does the job pretty well of handling the speaker anywhere. So as we were talking about the build quality of this speaker is incredible. That at this price point you're getting such a great build quality. Like, I have unboxed many speakers, but this is one of the best speakers when it comes to build quality. It feels so good in your hand. It feels very premium. It's just like you're paying less for something more costlier. Yeah, it's that good. This is so very well built. You can see over here everything is very well tucked in, and it feels damn good. The design on this speaker is also superb. This is a barrel kind of a design, but I still feel like this is kind of a odd design in my opinion, because the speakers are placed on this side over here, and over here you can see there's a single tweeter, and on this side there's a subwoofer. There should be speakers on the center part of the speaker, but it's okay in my opinion. It gets the job done. You can see there is no Urban branding on the center anywhere on the housing over here. It has the Urban branding on the left side of the speaker where there's the subwoofer, and on the right side you can see you get the tweeter, as I've said, and the controls are also made of the same quality as the housing. In many speakers which I have unboxed, the controls are made out of a different material, and this is made out of the same material. It feels so good. The buttons are also made out of the same material. They are damn good, and they are damn tactile. You see over here the feedback from these buttons are too good. This is the play pause button, mode button. You're changing tracks, changing volume. USB SD card slots over here, on off button, you get this charging port, you get the aux button also over here, you get your aux port also over here. And as we were talking about the design is very portable. You can see over here, this is a very lightweight speaker. And now we are moving to the feature list of the speaker. Features wise, you can see over here, you get lots of stuff on this speaker. You get latest Bluetooth 4.2. This is a 10-watt speaker over here. You get FM mode also, so if you are that kind of a guy who likes to listen FM and you don't have your mobile phone nearby and you want to listen to music or news, you can click the M button over here and change the mode. You have the USB slot and the SD card slot over here, the aux port also, which is very usable, and you get an aux cable also inside the box. I've never seen this kind of a battery capacity on any speaker at this price point. The battery is about 3000 mAh, which is a lot. I think so you can charge your device also with this USB port. I haven't checked it out, but I will check it out and I'll write down somewhere in the description, so check that also. It has 3000 mAh of battery and the playtime of this speaker is about 8 hours. 8 hours is a lot. Like, it's superb. At this price point you can get such a great speaker. So friends, now we're gonna move to the sound test of this Urban Bang 1000. So let's move in. So friends, I've connected the speaker to my OnePlus 6 and the name of the song is Yala and the volume from my device is full, as you can see, and this is a 10-watt speaker, so I'm gonna play the song.
Sounds go off when I enter the building. Sounds go off when I enter the building.
To a conclusion that the sound from this speaker is very good. Like, it didn't have any kind of distortion. It was incredible. You can hear everything that singer was singing. You can feel those beats. Everything was too good. They didn't have any kind of distortion at full volume also. But specifically when we come to the loudness and the bass, loudness wise, this is not the loudest 10-watt speaker I've ever heard. This can be more louder, but they haven't done it. I don't know, something's wrong with those tuning stuff, but this can be more louder. This can sound more louder and better. The bass on this device was pretty good in my opinion. You can feel those bass, but the bass can also get better, and quality wise it's superb in my opinion. It was incredible, but still I feel like this speaker is a dope speaker at the price you're getting, because the build quality, the features, the design you're getting at this price point, and the sound. Don't forget the sound. The sound is not at all a bad thing for this speaker, because it's just not that loud. That is my big gripe, but it's too good in my opinion. It's very good at this price. It's just a value for money speaker at this price point. So friends, if you want to check that price, you can see the link in the description, and if you want to buy the speaker also, the link in the description. You know the drill. So see that link, buy the speaker. If you like it, click on the like button for the video, and friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So friends, this is it for now. This is the unboxing and review of the Urban Bang 1000. Thank you for watching, friends.